Hello, how are you all? Today we are going to learn how to apply morph effect in Video Scribe. Okay, first of all we are going to add any image, add new image, and let's suppose we select this girl who is sad. I'm selecting this and resizing it and placing it anywhere I want to place her, and after that we will go on set camera to current position. Click on it and then go element properties, set its elements properties. I want to draw it that, and after that I am going to set animation time. Let's suppose I want to animate in 2 seconds. I will select time. I will also set pause time if I want to, and similarly the transition time I can set any properties from here, and then press OK. After that I'm going to add another image. Now I want to add this image where she is happy. Okay, I added this image. I will resize it and place it anywhere I want. Okay, sometimes if you have your camera is disturbed, go to timeline and press on any image whose camera is set already. I will double click on it and our screen will automatically get fixed. Okay, I am resizing this girl and placing her here. First of all I will go and set camera to current position and then go to element properties. I want to morph effect. I want morph effect on this. I want that it should get morphed from this image and becomes this. I will set time, let's suppose 3 seconds, and okay, and pause time and transition time half seconds. Okay, now see, this is simple procedure how to apply morph effect in Video Scribe. Now let's have a preview, play from start, and this is the preview. Image will get drawn and it gets morphed into a happy girl. Video Scribe is simple element where we can apply morph effects. If you have any question, please let us know in the comments. We'll try to make videos on that topic for you.